We have the Mavic Air, my new drone from DJI, in this beautiful color flame red. It's beautiful. And I have test fly one time and use battery. Now I want to charge them. So we have this hub, charging hub, and we have 3 battery on here now. Like this. 3 battery. So we need some power. We take some power. There, power is on. And light begin. But if you think that this charge all 3 battery in one time, you take wrong. He charged 1 and 1 battery. So when this battery is finished, he begin with next and then and then and then. But it's okay. You only put battery here and can do some other things. Why not?